Okay, this is our first stop. So, dito na ako sa loob. Okay. So, this is what's inside. So, hanapin natin yung reclining Buddha. So, ikutin natin to. First, let's walk here. Okay, so this is what's inside the temple. So I think it's inside there. So we will see where is it. So let's get inside of it first. I think. Oh. So this is so here is the big reclining Buddha. So later we will go there. But first we'll go to the other temple. Okay? So let's go first here. I cannot read their language because it's all written in Thai. So I don't know Thai. So I'm just relying to what I see. So this is what we see here. So this is the first. This is the first one. Okay, so I don't know if we can get inside here, but this is the first one. You see? Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is the first one. So before we go to the reclining Buddha, this is the first one that we see. Elephant, the most famous one here in Thailand. You will see in every temple that we go, they have elephants. Yeah. The last time I go is in, I don't know what's that place, but there's also have an elephant. So this is one of it. So let's go inside and have a look what's inside. Okay. So this is what's inside. Okay.
ไม่น้องเซิร์ชในติ๊กต็อกว่าวัดเขาอ้อขึ้นมาเลยพัทลุงน้องจะรู้ประวัติ
So this is
วัดก็ดังมาก
what's
ที่ดารามา
inside.
แช่ว่านนั้น
This is what's inside. You will see that inside. So many. So this is one of the places, one of the things you do here. Okay, so now we are going to the big Buddha. Okay, so now let's go to the big reclining Buddha. Okay, so we can go inside, but we need to remove our shoes. So let's go inside. So you see, we'll go there. Okay, this is the chapel. So let's go inside. My shoes was okay. Let's go inside the temple. So this is what you see inside. Here, then we walk. Okay, this is inside the big temple Buddha. Okay, so this is what we see. Let's go inside. So this is under the big Buddha. So we do this. Okay, so this is what's inside.
Nhiều cái dầu, nhiều cái dầu. Đúng không? Can you look in the
So I donate and get this. Okay. So even though this is not my belief, you must try. You just try. So I don't know how to do this, but I think this. Yes. So yan, nagbigay galang po tayo. Even we have different beliefs, I still respect. Yeah. Because respecting is very good. And so this is what you see here under the big Buddha. Thank you.
bởi vì bị ngon á.
Yeah. So this is what you see inside here. I think this is a pinalagayan ng mga see? Yeah. I think. So let's go here. Okay, so this is what's outside under the Buddha. So I believe I give respect. Yeah. Although that's not my belief, I still, yeah, I'm a Christian, Catholic, so still I give respect to other because that's what we need in everyday. Yeah, give respect to everything that we do. Now, palabas na ako dito sa Big Buddha. So, as much as I wanted, yeah. So this is the feet part of the Big Buddha. See? And this is the body. And that is the body. And this is the head of the Buddha. So this is a great experience. And yeah, I believe I pay my respect right. Yeah, I believe. Even though I don't know what to say when I go inside and give respect, I'm just saying I respect. This is all what you see inside here in Wat Hat Yai Nai Temple. Wat Hat Yai Nai Temple. So this is all the temple that you see inside. Okay, and so that's our up for this place, I think. Yeah. So we go inside the big temple, the big reclining Buddha. So this is Batam, Thailand. So I think there's another one temple in there. So let's see if we can go. How can we go there? But for now, this is what you see inside. Okay.